channel! Today we are going to make a savory, tangy, slightly sweet and chicken legs, but I prefer thighs because there's a fat in it. It's yummy, and you can remove the excess oil too because sometimes it's kind of fatty, but I prefer the fat too, so it depends on your preference. I cut the chicken so it will cook faster. Sear the chicken in one side and flip on the other side. There are numerous variants of adobo recipe in the Philippines. The most basic ingredients of adobo is vinegar, which is usually coconut vinegar, rice vinegar, or plain vinegar. Almost every ingredient can be changed according to your personal preference. Even people in the same household can cook adobo in significantly different ways. You can also make a pork adobo and use the pork belly. It's more yummy. chicken adobo. Oh, yum, yum. I'm hungry. Look at that. That's so yummy. Mmm, mmm. You can serve it with jasmine rice. Hope you have fun making this chicken adobo. Bye everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.